Your iPhone can turn any photo into a PDF file in seconds. No apps, no websites, no downloading anything. And here is how. Now open the Photos app and choose any picture you want. And now tap the share icon in the bottom left. Scroll down and tap Print. And no, we are not actually printing anything. Now tap the share icon one more time from the print screen. Boom, your iPhone automatically converts the image into a PDF document. You will even see PDF document written next to the file name along with the file size. Now just tap Save to Files. Choose the folder where you want to save it, and that's it. Your photo is now saved as a PDF file directly on your iPhone. This is super useful for documents, homework, forms, IDs, receipts, or anything you need to send as a PDF. And the best part, it is completely built into iPhone. Like the video if this helped and follow for more hidden iPhone tricks and smart tech tips.